Well, our project is in Kenya, and interestingly, most people in Kenya have never seen an elephant, and most people in Nairobi have never seen a forest or a tree. And most people in Nairobi would not even be able to name an indigenous tree in their own local language. Our project is in an area where you have huge land use change. The land has gone from natural forest into tea, into coffee, into flowers, into infrastructure development, urban expansion. Very little attention has been paid to the benefits of natural environment. So we have recreated a forest from scratch. We've taken down all the exotic plantations and we've put in native vegetation. And we are 17 years into the project, which we consider would be probably 30 years till we get total closure of the canopy. Support from FARI will allow us to get another graduate on the program to help us. And it will also help us in the huge battle against what's called invasive species, which are threatening to invade and take over a lot of the indigenous forest. We've looked at the forests around us and we've looked at all the species, and we have tried to introduce the same balance of species that you would find in a natural forest quite close to us. So biodiversity is the main ecological principle that we are applying. We started with what's called pioneer species, and eventually after a number of years we start putting in what's called the climax species, which are the forest species which may be 100 or 200 years old when they are mature. I think the most useful thing we've learned is to look at the sociological and the social aspects of what we're doing. We are working in biodiversity, but unless you can bring humans into the picture to understand, or to get them to understand that what we're doing is of value to humans, we will not succeed in the future.